Hi everyone, Cynthia here, and today I'll walk you through how to create lead forms on Facebook to run your ads to collect information from your leads. Okay, so let's go. This is an ad, normal ad. So it looks like a normal ad for everyone, but they're offering something. Okay, they're offering free trial sessions. Now, your ad's going to look like that. But then when you click here on the learn more or say buy now or download, whatever your call to action is, you come to this form. And that's the lead form. In this case here, the gym just wants my email and my name and my phone number. Then I'll click next. So I'll teach you how to build this form. So then when you're running your ads, you can collect this information from your leads directly. Okay. Now let's go here to the business manager. I've got a fresh account, so I've never done this before. We'll click on create a new campaign. And my new campaign will have the objective as lead generation. That's what we want. We'll click on lead generation, click on continue. Next. Okay. So now here is my fresh new campaign. I have my campaign level, which is for lead gen. I have my ad set, which is going to be, I have to choose my business page. Make sure you have your business page, otherwise you might be sponsoring from something else, sponsoring the ad. Then at the ad set level, that's where you're going to add your audience, location, age, gender, and all of that. Now, the lead form will go into your ad level. When you get to your ad level, what you're going to do here, you set up an ad normally, like you would normally. So you add a creative, let's say clear images. We're going to add an image. I'm not sure, whatever image is here. Let's say I like this image. So this, I'm creating my ads here, and I'll say my new ebook. Whatever it is that your offer is, you will talk about it here in the text, your headline. I can say free ebook, for example. Okay, description, only 10 available. Stop recording, I think. Okay. No, so it's recording. So then 10 available. Then we'll continue here, display link. This is optional. You can put your website, your call to action. That depends what you want them to do. So in this case, I'll say download, because I'm offering a free ebook now. Okay. Now at the bottom here, this is what's new. Here is to create your form. So in this case, I go and click here, form, have a form name. I'll say ebook form 1. This name doesn't appear anywhere, so just use whatever you want. Okay. In terms of form type, you want it for volume or higher intent. In this case, say I want more people to download, so I'll go for more volume. Now, when I click on the intro, I'll click here, and then I can choose the background image for my form, and that can be separate from the actual ad form, from the ad picture. But in this case, I'll just use the same picture as my ad. Okay, you have that option, or upload a new one. Now, greeting. Here is where your headline form will be. So imagine they already clicked on the ad. Now the form popped up, and I'll say enter your, now this is the headline. So I'll say get your free ebook, something like that. And then here I'll say something like download information, something like that. Okay. And that's how it's going to appear here. Get your free ebook. Fill out the information below. Now here to the questions. Facebook already leaves for you email and full name. I would swap this around. We used to write the name first and then email. Say in this case, I also want their phone number. So I add category and I'll say phone number. I can add many more. I can say, I can even ask male or female, or, you know, what's your job title? I don't want the ID number, but you can ask whatever you want, whatever you need for your business. You can add questions here, okay? Then we'll scroll down. And here is the privacy policy. This part is very important. If you don't have privacy policy, you won't be able to run lead gen ads. And the link that goes here is the link that is on your website for privacy policy. So you need to paste your privacy policy here, either as a, like, let me get one, for example. Sorry. So add a privacy policy there. If you have any disclaimer, you add the disclaimer, and then you go to your completion. Now, say once they put their information, what they're going to see? They're going to see this page here. So thank you, you're all set, thank you. Your ebook is on its way. Book, download, and I say publish. Oops, another error. So it was missing one there. So now please enter information. Let's see now again, publish. Should be okay now. Okay, so now I have an ad, and we can have a look on this ad once it's published. I won't publish because I don't want this ad running. But in your case, it looks like it's all set and you've got your first form here, okay? And you can retrieve your leads from here or get this form connected to your email or your website, somewhere where you're going to receive all the forms. And you want to create another form, you click here and create another form, and then you can choose which form to use with each ad as well. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.